Welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra. I find peace and happiness in being a homemaker. Come along with me and see what I have cooking up today. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Sandra. Today I have a little Sam's Club and Aldi haul. And so I thought I would share that with you real quick. It's very rainy here today. If I look like I've been out like a drowned wet rat, I am. It's poured rain all day. But let's get right into it. Let's start with Sam's. I got these golden sriracha chips. I got those for my sons. Don't sound like something I'd like, but sounds like something they like. And if I can remember it and I held on to my receipts, I'll try to put the price of everything on the screen. I got some organic beef. I got 2 containers of this Chobani creamer. The reason why I bought 2 of them, one thing is it was on sale, I think, but I can hardly find it in my local grocery stores. So I got 2 of those. I got these for my husband, cinnamon rolls. He likes to have those on the weekend. Chicken nuggets. That's something my son requested I pick up. Some vegetable fried rice. This was something new. I'd never seen there before. And I got some of these crab rangoons, however you say them. Those look good. My son had me pick up a big pack of these Mission burritos, the flour tortillas. They go through those left and right. I picked up a twin pack of Sweet Baby Ray's. A bottle of avocado oil. Some paste pecani sauce. Picked up a big container of paprika. And a big container of sea salt. A bag of Honeycrisp apples. A big old bag of sweet onions. Got this big thing of trash bags. 2 loaves of light bread. Here is the most precious cargo. I got 2 of these large eggs. They are, it says 24 eggs. Yep, 24 eggs, so it's like 2 dozen in each container. 2 of them. decided to get these Pilgrim's Korean barbecue style chicken wings. For lunch, I thought about fixing some of these and some of that fried rice and maybe a few of those ragoons and make a good lunch. This was something new I'd never seen there. I hope it's a good brand. I'm really picky about my Italian sausage. But this is a sweet Italian sausage. I can't see right off. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's probably about 14 in there. 14 links. And then picked up a box of this quick steak. I don't know if it's any good or not, but I thought I'd give it a try. And then I got this great big old box of Swaggerty's sausage. All right, let's see. Thought I was done with my Sam's haul, but here's another bag. Got me some bacon bits. I bought these because I'm wanting to fix like a chicken bacon ranch pizza maybe. And I thought that sounded good for the bacon. Some Kraft Singles cheese. And then this big, humongous bag of chicken breast. I think that's all I have for my Sam's, so let me get all this cold stuff put away, and I'll be right back with my Aldi haul. I didn't get much at Aldi, just a handful of stuff. All right, y'all, I'm about done. I've been to the doctor today. I've already had a steroid shot, a pain shot, and this little trip has done me in. I'll have to rest the rest of the evening. Sad, ain't it? I'm 50-some years old. I'm either 54 or getting ready to turn 54. I don't know. And I already feel like I'm past 80 some days. But let's move on. I got some of these Frost drinks. I really like these from Aldi. I got 4 of the black raspberry. I got 4 of the strawberry citrus. And I got 4, let me see, what kind did I get here? Is that the same thing? Yep. I had 4 more of the black raspberry. I thought I had something different. Black raspberry. Oh, so I ended up with 8 black raspberry and 4 of the strawberry citrus, which that's all right. I like the raspberry better, black raspberry better. Alrighty. Picked up some corn dogs from Aldi. And I picked up 4 of these French bread pizzas. I get these for my husband. He likes them. And let me see here. Pick me up a container of pimento cheese. And I'm wanting to replicate, I don't know if you ever had it or not, but Chick-fil-A had a chicken sandwich that had like pimento cheese, and I think it had like a hot honey syrup on it, or just honey, whatever. And I think they threw some jalapenos on it. I'll have to look it back up, see what all was on it. But I love that little sandwich, so I'm going to try to make my own here at home. Because that's just a seasonal thing for them. They don't have it on their menu all the time. Ultra paper towels. And I want to take a minute out to say thank you to my son Kyle. He helped me get all these groceries in the house. I don't think I could have done it on my own. A lot of heavy stuff, especially when you get it from Sam's. Okay, moving on. I found these at Aldi. So that should fit perfect with them sandwiches I'm wanting to try to fix. Tyson Original Chicken Breast Sandwich. Got me a little bag of coffee. Got the husband some club crackers. He loves to just eat those as a snack of the evening. Pick me up some Alfredo sauce. This is the 3 cheese. I usually get the roasted garlic, but I found that 4 cheese and that just sounded really good, so I got it. And then I got 2 things of this German style kraut. This is probably the best kraut I've ate. And I've been on a sauerkraut kick lately. My friend Tim, he was showing a video of how he fixes his kraut, and that got me so hungry for it, and I'm still on a kraut kick. But his channel is Amish Pope. I believe it's just Amish Pope. I don't think there's any numbers or anything after it. But go check him out. He shows you how to fix kraut. He cuts his cabbage up, and then he's got like a big bucket, and he covers that cabbage over, and he allows it to, like, I guess it's ferment. And after he does that, he puts it all in jars and cans it up. But he's a pretty smart feller when it comes to canning and things like that. And this looks like my last bag from Aldi's. I got me some gallon storage bags. I bought some at Save-A-Lot, some storage bags with the zippers. If you have a Save-A-Lot, I wouldn't recommend buying them there. They're so thin, and even the little zipper part is so thin you can't hardly, it's too tedious to even try to zip them up. But now I know that Aldi's has some good ones, so I got a bag of the gallon and a bag of the quart. And I think these is made with the little pouch at the bottom where they'll spread open bigger at the bottom. Kind of like stand up if you're filling them. Instead of just being completely flat like the usual ones. And then this is for my husband too. He loves these triple chocolate cream cakes at Aldi's. And he'll share those probably with the grandbabies. But I got him 2 of them because we don't live real close to Aldi's. So I try to get him 2 at a time when I go. And let me see. That looks like all of it. I hope you've enjoyed my haul. Hope you're having a blessed day. It's Friday here. I hope y'all have a great weekend. I'll try to get this video uploaded sometime today if I can. I've got to find my receipts and try to see what I paid for everything so I can put it on the screen. But I love y'all and have a great day. Bye.